Hello viewers, I'm Abul Haq and this is our CSE 408 software development project demonstration. Our project name is Travel Bug. We 3 person collaborated on this project. So let's see what we have in our project. So here is the home page of our project. Right now we have no login. So let's explore what we can see without any login. So we can see the experiences, the hosted experiences, we can see them in this experience page. So we can filter out experiences by different criteria. Then we can also search experience by theme name. We can also search experience by location name. We can also search experience by checking date. We can also search by cost. So this is exploration of the experience. Let's see traveling guideline, transport guideline. Without logging, we cannot explore this feature. Now let's see a login. So for a login, we'll have to provide necessary information like email, password, then your first name and last name. Now we're logged in. So now let's see what features we can explore with logged in. So we can go to experiences, we can do filtering. Now we can additionally explore this transport guideline section. And let's see our account. So when you go to the account section, you can edit information here. You can see your information. You can also add your details. This detailed information will be necessary when your information detail is necessary during hosting. Save information and it's saved. Now we can also upload the photo. So let's upload the photo, profile picture. So profile picture uploaded, now saved, and it is saved. You can see it. Now let's see the hosting section. So this is the hosting homepage. Here you can see the booking management dashboard. Here there are a couple of options: create new listing, inbox, and your listings. So let's start creating a new listing. So you can start creating a new listing. First you will have to select a category. After that you will have to select a subcategory. Then you will have to give the location of your hosting. You can select or drag. Then you will have to give the description of your hosting. Then if you want to save temporarily for what information you have provided, you can do that, and then you will have this option and you can complete this listing again. So here you will have to provide more information. Then you will have to upload at least 5 photos of your experience. So I am uploading 5 random photos. So now photo upload complete. Now you will have to give a title of your hosting. So it should be relevant to what you are hosting. After that, you will have to give necessary information like minimum age requirement, maximum group size, and items to bring or additional requirements. These are optional. Then you will have to set the price, if partial pay allowed or not, hosted by team or individual, then cancellation policy. Then you will have to add additional activities. These activities will have information like title, activity cost, start time, end time, and activity description. So these are actually optional activities a user can choose to do, or a user can choose not to do. It's user's preference. So after giving all the information before publishing, he will have to review all the information then publish. So after the publish is complete, he can go to the link and he can open it for the users. Like, he is available to host this experience right now. So then he can also edit any information like hosting title. He can change them. Title updated successfully. Then he can change description, change category. So let's change the subcategory. Save it. Then you can change cost, guest requirements, hosting duration, hosting photos. Let's delete a photo and add a new photo. So when you click save, photos updated successfully. Then you can also change the activities, change location. So this is the edit page for the hosting. So you can also delete the hosting if you want to. So in the listing section, you can see all the hostings that you have hosted, and you can see that at the bottom your new hosting. And if you want to delete it, you can go there and delete it. Now the hosting is no more here. So now in the hosting homepage, there is a booking management dashboard. Here there are options like checking out, currently hosting, arriving soon, upcoming. So checking out means the host booking is already almost complete. So you can see the necessary information related to the booking. You can go to the relevant hosting to check out whose hosting it is actually. Then you can also, if you wish to complete, you can complete. You can go back and you can contact user. Now currently hosting means this booking you are currently hosting, and arriving soon means these bookings the user has not come yet. So if you want, you can delete this hosting or you can contact user for additional discussion. So this is the management. Here you can manage all the bookings related to all of your hostings. Now we'll see how to book an experience. Now if I want to book an entertainment category experience, I can search, and then after entering into the experience I can see necessary details, host name, minimum age, maximum group size, description, activities, and all the necessary informations. I can also contact host from here. Then I can see additional informations like hosted by team or individual, or partial pay allowed or not. Then if anything, any additional requirement, then I can see all of those information. I can see the cancellation policy, all the necessary details. So if I want to book, I will have to give the check-in date, and after giving the check-in date, I can also here select the checkout date. Then uh, here I can also add additional activities. When I will add additional activities, then the total cost will increase because I'm taking additional activities. Then after that, if I click request, then request will be sent to the host. Now the host will get a notification. So now I'll have to log out and then go to the uh, login section to log in as a host. So after logging into host account, I will see a notification that someone has booked your hosting. So here you can approve or decline after seeing necessary information. So after you approve or decline, the user will get the notification again. So again, I'll log out and log in as user. So here we can see that we have got a notification and our request has been approved. So when the request has been approved, now we'll have to pay. So this payment module has been implemented using Stripe. So for payment, we'll have to give unnecessary information, email, name, address. Then we'll have to give our card number, expiry date, and CVC. After that, click pay and payment is done. Now you'll see that your request has been paid. Now if you go to the booking section, you will see all of the bookings you have done. So here if you click, you will see that the request has been paid and confirmed. Now we will see transport guideline section. So here we will have an app for transport provider. So in this app, the transports and their routes will be provided. So first we will have to log in as a transport provider. After that we will have to give necessary details like transport name, then transport category. Then we will have to add time slot. So we can add any number of time slots. Now we have to enter the source of the transport. Then we will have to enter the destination of the transport. Then we will have to provide the total cost from source to destination. Then we can finish or we can add stoppage. If the bus or the transport is stopped at some stoppage, then we'll have to add it. So now we'll have to add the first stoppage, and then we'll have to provide the fare to reach the first stoppage. Then we can add more stoppage, and we'll also have to provide the fare to get to that stoppage. Then we can add more stoppage and relative fare. After that we'll have to finish, then the transport will be added in our database. Now we'll see how we can get the transport guideline. So to get the transport guideline, we'll have to be logged in. So in the transport guideline section, first we'll have to give the source. After that we'll have to provide the destination. Then we'll have to press get details, and shortly we will be provided with the necessary transfer for this route. All the necessary information will be given, like the time slot, start, destination, and then the cost, and all the necessary transports with their stoppage positions will be provided. And that's our transport guideline section. We also have another section that is messaging. We can do messaging with any user. We'll have to search the user and then we can send a message. So that's our project. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.